Well, it's about damn time, isn't it? Uh, Look at that. Such a long, painful, frustrating consolidation. We waited, we were patient, and now we're finally getting the move up. Bitcoin is pumping, guys. That is, just so happy about it right now. So, in the last video, the game plan was pretty simple. We were pushing up on the valley area high over here. I had mentioned that I was looking at this parallel channel. So let me just put that out there. That one, right? And then we also had the previous month at 61.6. So I was looking at two key levels. I was looking at a breakout above. Oh, I also had that one. Yep. Okay. So the first level I was looking at was $60,000. I went long early this week, right when I saw the break, but I did not wait for the daily close, which is something that I normally do, and I got caught. Went back down. I got stopped out. Uh, it is what it is. But we were just consolidating, and then I said that I would look to short if we showed a willingness to go lower here, right? Either that, or I was going to wait for a daily close above 60,000 and look for longs again. We did not show willingness to go lower. You notice how we just consolidated at the bottom of this, right below the top of the parallel channel. So to me, that's a telltale sign that we want to draw higher, right? And eventually we did. We grinded back out of it. We pushed up and finally got a daily close. I think it was somewhere here when we got a daily close above the $61,000 level. And so I started entering my shorts at 60,300. And then later today, I got in again at about 60,800, right when I saw some strength over here. And finally, well, we're pushing up. So what do I want to see now? Well, first of all, I want to see that daily close above the valley area low. So let me get rid of a lot of these levels now. Yeah, something like that. I'm going to get rid of that parallel channel as well. We're basically back here. A close like this would be absolutely wonderful. But I did mention that 64.4, that was going to be my first take profit. Right, and it still is. Nothing has changed in that regard. Just because we're seeing price push, you shouldn't necessarily get greedy. That's, the recipe for disaster, right? So 64.5, 64.4, that area to me is still a key level. You see how it's been a reactive level, support, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Right? It has been a level that has given reactions over the last few months. So without a doubt, I am looking to take some over here. And then the next target for me would be the 67. I'll still have about 50% of my things, 50% of my longs open though. I'll take a little bit more here. But now, back to the original target that I had from when we had this leg up higher in the middle of July. My ultimate target is that $72,000 level, and if we can break up above it, then obviously 81,000 is my next target for new all-time highs. But we'll go one level at a time. For now, I'm in a long over here, just as I outlined over the last several days. Now, I personally don't want to see price come all the way back down here to retest the valley area low. Normally, I would want that. Right, when you get a break up above, so you see like over here you get a break up above, although the valley area low back then would have been different because it's a level that keeps on updating. So let me actually do this. So we're going to get rid of that level. So if you guys just look at this left side of the chart right here, what you're going to see is, you see how you reclaim, you basically get the retests over here and whatnot. You get the same thing with the Valley area high over here. So, oh, we didn't break up above it over here. Yeah, but you know, usually on the 4 hour or on the daily, I guess I just don't want to spend too much time looking for an example right now. You guys get the idea. When you get a daily close above it, you're going to get the retest, right? It's not going to be a perfect wick and a bounce, but you're going to get a retest on the next daily candle. You got to find a way to, you know, have good targets such that wherever you place your stop loss, you still have a good RR. So for me, my stop was below this swing low this time. So the moment I got a retest on this candle on Thursday after the close on Wednesday, I took my entry on a retest right now. So I do expect this candle on the Valley area low to hold as support now, but I don't want to see price dip down that low given that we've already pushed away from this zone. So instead, I want to see this swing high hold that support now. Right, so this is a level I want to see hold. I do not want to see price dip down below this. It's not going to be bearish or anything, but I want to see the momentum going, right? The momentum that we've just generated with today's candle. Interest rates are basically going to get cut, is what Powell said in his speech. But I mean, I'm not too big on those fundamentals anyway. At the end of the day, Bitcoin's going to do what Bitcoin wants to do. But yeah, that's basically my game plan. I'm gonna see if price can come down here. If I do compound, it's gonna be a very small amount because I am already in full position size for this long. I got in below 61,000, so I'm plenty happy with that entry. But I'll see if we get a nice little tap of this zone. I might look to add a little bit more. And again, my first take profit is going to be at the 64.5 level, and then I'm going to look for 66.8, so the point of control, and then those equal highs at 72. I might take some at the Valley area high up here at 70,000 psychological number as well. So we'll see, but that's the game plan for now. Yeah, if you guys find these videos helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.